guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and also turn on your notification bell to get informed when I drop new videos. Thank you. So today I'll be teaching you all how to make smoothie, scent leaf and utazi leaf smoothie. Scent leaf and utazi is a vegetable commonly eaten by people from the eastern part of Nigeria, that's the Igbos, and also the southern part. And I'll also be talking on the health benefits of taking utazi and scent leaf. Trust me, it's a very good combination and it's so good for our body system. So watch through the video how I made mine. Utazi and scent leaves can be gotten from your local market where they sell vegetables, especially where Igbo people sell vegetables. Just go there, ask for utazi leaves. We have okazi, but the one that's bitter is utazi leaves. So you get utazi and scent leaves. You can get it for 100 naira. It's very cheap and affordable. So here's my fresh utazi and scent leaf. It's looking so fresh. So guys, when you're getting yours, don't get the ones that are yellowish already or they are not good. Get fresh green. They should be green. Yes. And next, you pluck the leaves out of the stick. You pluck them out, and after plucking them out, you put it in a bowl and wash thoroughly. You have to wash it very carefully because you don't want any dirt inside the smoothie or juice you're going to be making. You wash it carefully, neatly. Wash it very well with clean water. So after washing your leaves, you get your blender. Make sure the blender is a clean one. Make sure it's clean. Then you put the vegetables inside the blender and you cover it and you get ready to blend. When blending, don't add too much water because you want it to be thick and get all the nutrients. When you put much water on it, it will be very watery. So you blend well. It is foamy. It's foamy and the leaves are crushed already. Then that's when you stop blending. Wow, can you see how foamy it is? Wow, so foamy. This is how it's going to form when you finish blending. So this is me pouring the blended scent leaves and utazi leaf inside the cup. So if you want it to be the juice, you filter it, you sieve the leaves out. But if you want to drink it foamy with the leaves, that's how you're drinking it as smoothie. This way drinking it is very bitter. It's not your normal vegetable smoothie that is sweet or has just normal taste. This one is bitter one, but it's being bitter is very good for our body. So I hope you try this at home. It's very easy, affordable to make. I drink this once in a while. I drink it once in a while. So let's dive into the benefits of drinking scent leaf and utazi smoothie. I'll be telling you the benefits so you know what you're taking and its benefits to your body. So it has a lot of benefits. So here are the benefits of taking this juice or smoothie. I hope this video was educative and it was helpful for you. I hope you gained a lot from it. I'd love to know your replies on the comment section. Thank you for watching.